If you are still thinking about China importation and if it's profitable for you, watch this video to an end because I'm unboxing some personal stuff and business stuff I got all from China. So the first thing I'm unboxing is a camera lens that I got from China. So unbox with me. So wait for this. So this is a camera lens I imported from China. I found the supplier of so there's one big brand in Nigeria that sells used cameras and used lenses. And I just used the picture to find their supplier and I actually found their supplier. And then I just got the lens from China. It was like 100,000 naira cheaper. And they were also doing it on pre-order. So it just made sense for me to just buy it from China by myself. So I got it. The one I have is the view trucks. Like this is so heavy, guys. Look at it. So this is my new G Master 50 mm f1.4 lens, and then just looks good, guys. Looks so. This is my camera with the new lens. I can't remember half of the things I bought. This is so nice because my period diapers just finished. So I got more diapers for my period. Let me open. These period diapers, if you have heavy flow, just buy it because especially when you want to sleep, you just be staining the bed. So it's like pants. You're just going to wear like pants to sleep. You can even wear it out. Like it's so nice, but I don't like wearing it out because sometimes it's really tight. I got sleep mask. Yes, my hair. So I got this kinky hair from China. I've been looking for where to get like hair, very nice hair from China. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this is a kinky wig. This is meant to be 200 grams of kinky wig. This is my dream wig. Finally got my dream hair, guys. Like the texture is crazy. Look at it. So beautiful. So I'm going to unbox this one last because it's not that important. It's just some stuff I want to sell. A flower decoration kind of thing. Wow, it's so short. Oh yeah, I got the short one. I got the short one. I think I'll put the inspo of what we wanted to do. So I got different colors. Looks nice. So I got this. This is for my sister. Anything. I don't remember most of the time what I bought. Oh, this is gym wear. I got myself a gym wear because I have a skipping rope and I want to start skipping at home. So I got this. When I have like small money, I'll just be buying everything and be dumping it with Sky Cargo. I'll dump it with Sky Cargo till I have money for shipping fee or till the thing is big enough for sea shipping. Or sometimes I'll just get tired of leaving it there and just ship it like that. So this one, some of them are the one I just unboxed is sea shipping and the rest is air shipping. So I got this basic top. I don't like it. It looks so big. Doesn't look like it's going to be fitted. These Chinese people, and they are so funny. When you want to buy something and it is either is too small or too big, as a plus size person, when you're buying things from China, It's either you are buying something that is too small or too big. This is meant to be a fitted basic top. This is another top. This is meant to be a tank top. Oh, it's padded. So this is a tank top. I think this one will be my size. And look, this is another tank top. Nice. I like the material. Material is so strong. Guys, if you want to buy, especially if you're a plus size lady and you want to buy clothes, Pinduoduo is very okay. What is this? How is this meant to be? I don't know. But then I got a pen. I got pen for my iPad. I actually got two this time around because the last one I got didn't last, so I just got a second one. So like a copy of an Apple Pencil. Apple Pencil is like 150k, and this one is like probably like less than 10k. I can't even remember, but I got two earrings. Wow, this is so pretty. Earrings. Another set of earrings. I'm sure this is another set of jewelry. I just buy a bunch of stuff. This is another earring. Wow, this is so fine. I got rings for my finger rings. These people will just be wasting someone's money and be putting your stuff in box instead of just sending it inside nylon or something to create. But that's so fine. All this thing now is just waste of space and waste of kg. Your goods that is meant to be 1 kg will now be like 2 point something kg because of the useless boxes that they pack it with. I don't know why I keep forgetting to use a packing agent. Maybe because I don't buy them once. I just buy small as the money is entering. I just buy and keep as sky cargo. I don't know if packing agent keeps for long. I've never tried to use a packing agent before. And the bonus is that I refer my students to packing agents and they use packing agents, like a lot of them, except me. I don't know why I'm not using a packing agent. Maybe it's laziness. And sometimes the packing agent's money is actually much. It adds up at some point. So you have to be careful. What is this? Okay. I got a new tripod. This one is bigger than the one I had before. So this is a new tripod. The one I had before, I had to super glue it together. So this is so nice. I got some lashes. Yeah, I got lashes. Well, that will open outside. That road, Abby. This is like